So, it's been a few days since our snowstorm chaos arrival in Canada, which was fun, to say the least.
Was it though?
I'm not sure. But the trailer behaved fantastic, and I was more concerned about the tow vehicle than the trailer, to be honest. But we made it work, and luckily we had an Airbnb booked for now for after arriving in Canada. And luckily we were able to get into that Airbnb a couple days earlier because we were planning on Walmart parking lot.
A park, but it was snowing so much that we would have gotten stuck.
Yeah.
In the park.
We would have been snowed in, and that's not fun either.
That's not fun.
So we contacted the Airbnb host, and they were able to get us in earlier, which is fantastic. It's a very cute little house right there.
It's a nice little cottage.
Yeah. It's weird to be in a house, to be honest. It's been a while. And yeah, we have the driveway in the trailer. We have the trailer parked in the driveway. And yeah, there are big news.
The whole reason why we're doing this.
Yes. We are actually selling our Escape. But this is just an in-between with the Airbnb. From here on, we will just switch travel units because we will not stop traveling. This is just the beginning.
Wow. Okay.
So we have plans. So, and we have no ambition to move into a house or no. We love to be on the road and in our travel unit.
And we're selling because we're downsizing.
Yes.
We're not selling because we don't like the trailer or we don't like RV life.
We need
going smaller.
A different setup.
Yes.
It has mainly to do with with our experience on our last road trip through the US, and where the length mainly and the way we travel taught us that we just need to adjust our living unit to how we boondock, travel, want to see things.
Yeah.
And yeah, we can go into that further in a different video or when we have the new unit maybe.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, otherwise it would be a half an hour standing here and trying to
we
explain
already
what
have our eyes on something.
Mm-hmm.
And fingers crossed it'll work out. We already have a buyer for this one. Fingers crossed it'll work out.
Yeah.
More about that later.
Yeah, we're very nervous about that too.
Yeah, so we'll talk about it when it's done.
Yeah.
Because otherwise we're jinxing it.
Yeah, exactly. We learned from the past that with our other trailers, let's get through the steps bit by bit, and then, but we will keep you updated for sure, and more exciting things to come in the future videos. We will miss this trailer for sure.
So today, cleaning the trailer.
Yes.
So it's then ready for the new owner.
Let's get going, I guess.
Yay.
Yay!
It's easy. It's empty. So
it's empty. It's empty, unfortunately.
All right. Let's get to it. Empty trailer.
It even already smells differently in here with all our stuff out. Look how empty. The composting toilet is being cleaned right now. That's why it's not there.
All we have is cleaning stuff.
Yeah, it's all cleaning stuff, and that's so weird.
I know.
That's so weird. We didn't really have a transition time. That was too fast, but
because stupid snowstorm.
Yeah, snowstorm.
We could have made it. Like it stopped snowing sooner than it was predicted.
Luckily,
and the freezing rain that was predicted didn't really materialize.
No.
But we didn't know that. We didn't want to risk it getting stuck in a park.
Or having some accident with the trailer.
Exactly. So we went the safe route.
Yeah.
Happy about it.
And it worked out.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Ooh, good morning everybody. Yeah, so today is the day. We cleaned out our home on wheels. It's in great condition, all shiny and everything. And yeah, today it will be picked up by the new owner. And it will be really sad to see it go. And sometimes you just have to let go. But this one is a sad one. It was our favorite rig that we had as a travel trailer. And we had Airstream and an Avion, so aluminum trails before, and this was the best one. Yeah, just a quick inside look again. Last one. What a day. My tummy is all nervous. Julia seems to be slightly nervous. She was nervous yesterday. Look at her. It smells like skunk outside because a cat and a skunk had a fight right in front of our driveway here. So, wow. Not something you want to join. Man, it's such a cozy unit. We had a great time in this. Yes, I'm 6'6" and standing under the AC, so that's why it looks so funny there. And yeah, we cleaned everything out. Last little look. There will be fun ahead, and that's what we're looking forward to. So yeah, I will just get ready before the new owner arrives, and we go from there. And I'm not sure I will be filming everything because I don't want to put people into a position, especially when they buy this kind of a unit, to always have a camera and stuff. So but yeah, we will keep you updated, and see you soon. So will you go right or left?
Right.
Left. Okay.
That's what I asked. So I was kind of worried about that over there, but you don't think it's going to be a problem?
No, just go as far as possible to the fence area.
Okay.
And then you will be fine. I go over there just in case.
He'll shout.
Okay.
Alright.
Thanks so much for everything.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Man, it's like nothing back there.
Right?
Gosh, it's like feather.
Bye. Ugh.
There it goes.
He's testing the brakes.
I think
that's
he's
good.
testing the brakes here. Oh, the mirror?
Clean the mirrors.
Oh, okay. Yeah. His mirrors are, as you can see, we're doing all this in the snow, and
His mirrors are dirty.
yeah, his mirrors are all, and it's already getting dark.
Snowed in.
So yeah, sad to see it go, but we found a really good person to take it over. There goes our trusted escape in good hands.
He's a little sad.
Bye bye. I have snow in my eyes.
You have snow everywhere. You've been out here for hours.
There you go. Well, that was an exciting day with all the paperwork we had to do, but we found a really great person to take over the escape, and of course we are really sad to see it go, but we move on to the next one, right, honey?
Yes.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, and we will tell you very soon what that might be, and you will say, you guys are freaking nuts.
Yes, probably.
Probably. Okay, we leave it here because I'm a snowman and I'm cold.
Yeah, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Bye bye.
Bye.
What a sad moment it was to see our Escape go, but we are excited for our future rig and new adventures. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything, and hit that like button while you're at it. See you next time and live your life to the fullest.